PAPERPlus Shooter, systematic high-speed application. The machine shoots between 220 to 725 FPM or 100 and 200 meters of packaging paper per minute directly into the box. The fastest, most economical method of void filling. The pulling system unwinds the paper from the inside of the roll. Single-ply paper is transformed into a filler, comprising multiple layers. In split seconds, the machine automatically trims the paper. Intelligent functions make packaging easy. The speed can be regulated as required. If a larger void has to be filled, the setting is simply increased. The system is stopped and started by foot pedal, leaving hands free. The working height can be varied to ensure optimum ergonomic functionality. The machine head is rotatable. PAPERPlus machines can be integrated into any shipping process, either in modular form or as a standard solution. They are practically maintenance-free and highly reliable. Effective, cost-conscious void filling with the PAPERPlus Shooter from Storopack.